Hello, welcome back. So as you can see, we have the header section and we have implemented the classes of the header, but we have not implemented the classes for the children of the nav. So let's add the classes of nav elements. So first nav element is left div. So we are going to focus on this left div first, then we will move on to other divs. So let's open up the CSS file. As you can see, we have created the flex classes. So let's scroll down to the left div. So this is the left div. Let me give some space here, and here we're gonna add our left div element classes. So open up index.html file, and as you can see, this section is the left div. I will open this section. So as you can see, we have a Facebook search class inside the. We will copy this Facebook search. We will copy this as well, which is the children of Facebook search, and it is a Facebook search inner. We will copy the Facebook logo and Facebook input, and when we scroll down, I think that's it, and we will copy this and we will paste it here. So we will make it a class, and we will save it. So let me check if I miss anything or not. So I think that's it. So we have added the Facebook search class and Facebook search inner and Facebook logo and Facebook input. So let me give some space here and here and here as well. So this is the left div section, and so this is the left div element classes. So inside the Facebook search, we have Facebook search inner. Inside the Facebook search inner, we have Facebook logo. And let me see what is inside the Facebook logo. As you can see, this is the Facebook logo, and we have a span element inside the Facebook logo. We will say Facebook logo. We will select the span element. So we will say Facebook class, and inside the Facebook class select span elements. That is how we select the span element. So we will also select the icon which is inside the span element, which is this font awesome icon. So we'll say we will copy this and paste it here, and we'll say span. Inside the span we'll say select I, and this is the icon for the font awesome. So that's it for the Facebook logo, and let's check the Facebook input. So what we have inside the Facebook input, we have span and we have input as well. So we will say inside Facebook input, we will say Facebook input, we will select span element, and inside the span element we have input. So we have selected the input inside the span element. So let's select the icon inside the Facebook input. So we'll say Facebook input span, and inside the span we have font awesome icon, which is italic tag. So let's save the file. So let's see if we didn't miss anything. So let's double check this. So we have selected the span and also the font awesome icon, and we have also selected the Facebook input. So inside the Facebook input we have selected span and as well the font awesome icon and also the input. So as you can see in the style.css file, we have added all the classes which is related to the left div items. So in the next lecture we're gonna add center div element classes. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.